Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuveer. In this class, we will discuss about how to convert the given finite automata into right and left linear grammar. In our previous classes, we already discussed about what's right and left linear grammar. Please watch those classes and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, let's take an example. This is our example. This is the finite automata provided. This finite automata will accept the language L is equal to set of strings start with A. So in order to convert this finite automata into right linear grammar, so what we do here is, this is our finite automata. On A, this is our initial state. On A, if you apply the input symbol A, we are moving to the state B. This can be written as A tends to, if you see the input symbol, we move to the state B. So that's why AB. The same way, repeat it for all the states. On B, if you see the input symbol, we are moving to B. On B, if you see the input symbol B, we are moving to B. So A, we move to B, or B, we move to B, or epsilon. Why we have written the epsilon for state B? Because this is final state. Means whenever you stay on state, without any input you can accept it because you are on the final state. For final states we have to put the epsilon production also. So this is our right linear grammar. In this grammar we have to eliminate the epsilon. So how to eliminate the epsilon? Let's take the epsilon and substitute in our productions. Epsilon, if you substitute it here, A epsilon. What's the meaning of it? A. That's why we got an extra production AB or A. By seeing the A, we can stop, or we can call the function B. That is what this intuition is provided in our previous classes. Hoping that you know that. That's why we are using the terminology which we discussed previously. So B tends to, so substitute epsilon here, AB. If you substitute epsilon here, what's remaining? A. That's why we got an extra production A. If you substitute epsilon here, we got B. That's why we got an extra production. This is our final right linear grammar. So you check with an example. This grammar is going to accept the strings that starts with A. So how to check the acceptance of the string for right and left linear grammar is discussed previously. So this is our right linear grammar. If you convert, so take the right linear grammar, and if you reverse the grammar, we get A tends to AB means BA. A means A, same. BA, A. AB means BA, BB means BB, AB. So this is our reverse. Take the right linear grammar. If you reverse it, we don't get the left linear grammar. We will get the left linear grammar for reverse of the language. So what's our language? What's our language here? Set of strings start with A. If you reverse this language, what we get? Set of strings end with A. So this is the left linear grammar for set of strings end with A. So how to get the left linear grammar for the set of strings starting with A? What we do here is we reverse the finite automata, convert to RLG and reverse. This is our finite automata. Reverse this finite automata. How to do the reverse was already discussed in our previous class. Let's refresh the concept. Make initial state as final state as initial state, and reverse the arrow marks. This is the initial state, make it as final state. This is the final state, make it as initial state, and reverse the arrows. This is the reverse of our finite automata. Right linear grammar for this. On B, if you see the input symbol A, we are moving to A. On B, if you see the input symbol A, we are moving to B. So AB. On B, if you see the input symbol B, we are moving to B. So this is our right linear grammar, and A tends to epsilon. Why we have written epsilon for A? Because it is the final state. It is the final state. A is final state. We will write the production epsilon. After eliminating the epsilon, if you substitute epsilon here, you will get AA slash one more production. A will be there. We are not writing those productions. Now we have to reverse this right linear grammar. B tends to AA or BA or BB. A tends to epsilon. This is the left linear grammar for set of strings starting with A. This is the procedure to convert our given finite automata into right linear grammar and left linear grammar. Hope you understand the concept. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.